Alright, so in this video we are going to talk about adding thumbnails in YouTube using Windows PC and mobile phone, and in the meantime we will talk about uploading a YouTube video. How can you upload? Just go to your Chrome browser, open your YouTube, and here you will see an option to create a video. Just upload your video, choose wherever it is, select your destination here, and I have a video here. I'm gonna upload this video, and here you need to, after that you need to give the title of this one, and then you need to write the description. Here is my title and I need to write the description. Here is my description. I have already written and saved, and go to this description file here and type your description. Right, so my description is already here, whatsoever I have been writing about this one. And now it's time to upgrade your thumbnail. Here my internet is slow or the VPN has problem, but it shows the automatic thumbnails here. You don't need to choose from this one. If you have created one, it would show here. So once you choose this one, then your thumbnail is here, and you can easily choose this thumbnail as your video thumbnail. And video is uploading, it's 25% and it's a long video, so this is quite easy. You can also deal with vidIQ things, but this is the way you can easily upload your video and give your title, then your description, and then you scroll down and you will see this thumbnail. This is how you can customize your thumbnail using Windows PC. And now let's move to the mobile phone. If I go to this studio right now, you can see, and if I refresh this one, and this video is gonna be here. So it's in a draft, and I can go there and click the pencil icon here, and here you will see that there is a plus little icon here at near the CapCut logo. So press this one and you will find change one. So you go to change and it will open your gallery here, and in the gallery, wherever your thumbnail is located, just click on the thumbnail and then select like this one, and it will appear here as a thumbnail, and everything would be alright. You can just press the save button and your new thumbnail would be saved. For example, I'm gonna discard this one, and if you want to change the thumbnail for this video, you just press the pencil icon there and go to this image section here, and now go to change and open your video, whatsoever the thumbnail you have made, and here you click on update and then select and then save the changes. That's quite easy. I'm not gonna change for this video, and it was quite easy and simple. If you like this video, then thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you in another video. Please like and share among your friends. Take care. Bye bye.